So today we'll see how to loop through ArrayList. So let's start with an example. Let's create an ArrayList of family members. We are using list. We'll give a variable fam which is equal to new array list. So this is a way we declare an object of type list. So next we'll see we'll add some members to it. So how to add members? Fam dot using that variable add function, we'll add some members. Thomas, fam dot add John, fam dot add some other name, Harry. These are family members. So we can continue adding like this. So we will check how to traverse through this, that is how to loop through this. There are two ways. One traditional way of getting through this is for loop, and another is especially for this. Let's see the second one and then we'll go to for loop. Before that, for every for list statement we are using array list, means we have to add its library, that is java util function. We have to add java util at the beginning, that is import. We are importing java dot util because only java dot util dot star contains the required library functions for array list. So we added that. Then so we will create a for loop. For this is not a traditional way, this is easier way than that. For we will create a string let's give a name, let's give it as name variable string. We are creating double colon, that is dot. We'll keep two dots. Then we have to put the fam. Now print let's print the name, that is the integer. So here is an error. Can I guess it error? Let's see what is an error. So the error is string name fam unchecked unsafe operations. So here this object is not being declared of any type, so it is just an object, but here we are declaring it as a string and displaying it. So these are also string, but they are stored as object. So to specify what type of it is, we will add string here. Similarly, new array list we added both sides. Now let's check. See, John, Harry and Tom. So this is how we traverse through array list. Now let's see general method. In general method, we have to get the size from this int size equal to we can get size by using size function, that is fam dot size of. Then we use for loop for int I equal to 0, traditional method, I less than size I plus plus, incrementing I. Now let's enter the statement. Sorry. Fam dot get. Okay, now let's run this. So we are given this variable as si. So it has printed for once. Price is 3013. So this is general method. We'll see how to loop through array in the next video.